So when you use a Google site, it's actually really easy to do a couple things. The first thing is if you want to use a site as a template, so you've been given this site as an editor, it's really simple to do. All you have to do is you come up to these three dots up here at the top, you click on that, and you simply click on duplicate site. When this happens, you can change the name of it. So you probably want to give it some title that indicates it's now yours. Um, you can change the location, so where it's going to put that in your folder, and then you are going to have the option to share it with the same editor. So if you have, your teacher as the editor, click that button and it's shared with everybody, and then you simply hit duplicate, it makes the copy for you. If you've never used a Google site before, it's actually pretty simple to do. Um, you can find all the navigation right over here on this right hand side. So if you are in a page that you want to be in, it gives you all the options for things you can insert. There's different layouts you can use. There's a collapsible text feature. You can add a table of contents, which could be pretty helpful as you're going through this. An image carousel, lots of different things you can add into this. If you want to change the overall appearance, you click on themes, and the themes will allow you to change the general look of the website or the web page that you have that on, so you can do that as well. And then lastly is you can add or change or kind of make sub pages right here. You just simply hit the plus button here, and it adds a new page, and then you can change whatever you need to in that page, and it's going to be tied to the original. Once your site's finally finished, the last thing you have to do is just go ahead and publish it. So we come up here to the publish button, and it gives you your opportunity to change or customize your web address. So you could have something that um, means something to you or is specific to the project you're working on, but you're going to have to change that web address. The other thing you can do is you can manage it here, which is going to give you the option of where and who you share it with. So if you want to share it to kind of the whole world, you can do it that way. If you want to share it to just people in the school district, you can do that as well. So that's the way you're going to go about that process. And then once you're all set, you just hit publish and you have a live website.